arrived to the next destination. We're going to check out another art gallery, so stay tuned. Okay, I want to share my experience with you about this gallery we just visited. That was really creepy. It was about death, but most of all, we are two girls and we just went to a house that it didn't seem like it's a gallery or something, and all over the walls and everything was really creepy stuff, and I'm kind of scared right now. I'm happy that I'm here alive.
So it was the scariest experiment of visiting art galleries because this place was scary enough and the art you can see inside was creepy. Every single second, I expected someone will grab us and put us in a room and start to torture us. But it was nice. I was just joking. I was joking. It was really kind of a special art. So we are live and we are at Chai Bar Cafe in Anjoman Khoshnavisan, and it's really beautiful here. We'll show them the garden and show me. And we are going to discuss about our next trip and plan it. After that, we are going to show you the gallery inside, and that's it.
Actually, here the classes of handwriting is being held, and you can just go and register to work on your handwriting in Persian.
Is it delicious? We ordered detox salad, which contains of some vegetables and grilled chicken in it. So this was our vlog today. I brought you to some galleries, a creepy gallery of course, and we brought you here at a nice cafe at Anjoman Khoshnavisan, and hope you enjoyed our vlog.
Bye.